Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am African Prince AREX. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add product to your website. As we have been starting from the video 1, video 2, video 3 till we get to our video 7 in our last video. This is the video 8. In our video 7, we talked about how we added this newsletter to our particular page. And I said in this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add products into your website. Now, for us to add a product, there is a website we need to go as well. So let me show you the website. The website we are going to go is equid.com. Just click on your Chrome browser, go to your Chrome browser and type equid.com. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this for you. Then you are going to click on sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to put your first name, and last name. So let me just put my name, then let me put my Gmail, and then let me put my password. So set up my store. That is what you are going to click on. So just follow the step and let's do this one after the other. There's a long process in setting up this particular account, but you just need to follow it one after the other to get the same result. So let's take it one after the other once this thing have started loading. And if you don't want to save it, you just leave it. But for me, I'm going to save it. Now, look at it now. They said, what are we doing now? Online store. This is our online store. I'm from Nigeria, and the currency we spend in Nigeria is what? Is Naira. So there are 4 steps you need to follow in registering our Equid account. So click on next. So once you click on next, you are going to type your city. What city am I from? I'm from Lagos. Then I put my 001. Then from state, put your Lagos state. So that's it. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, they said, do you already have experience in selling? Just put I'm just getting started, or put anyone you want to put there. I'm selling online with different systems. I'm selling in person. I'm selling online in person. I'm just looking around. So I am just getting started. What type of product will you be selling? So I'm going to be selling hijab product. I don't know what hijab product should be. So hijab craft and this hobbies, no books, no gifts, flower. So what is hijab products? So LD and beauty. I think hijab should be under, let me just use beauty for the sake of this video. I'm not under pets. Let me check the one I can be under. Jewelry. Can hijab be under jewelry? Crafts, supplies, books. So I remember on our account, let me check the account. Okay, so what type of product will you be selling? So the type of product I'll be selling, let me just choose health and beauty. No, it should be under jewelry. Let me just say hijab should be under, because I have jewelry too inside my website. So let me just put jewelry there. So are you setting up a store for someone? So just put no, you are not setting it. You are setting it for yourself. You are setting it up for yourself. So click on next. Now the first step is here. They said, do you already have a website? You are going to choose yes. Then when you put your yes, you are going to choose order here, because you are going, there is no Google site here. So you are going to choose order. So then type your Google site. Google site. Then click on continue. So now they have various plans that they can use on this particular website. So let's see all plans. Now you can see the amounts they charge. So we are going to be going with this free plan, right? But if you have started making money on your product, probably you've started selling on your website and people have started buying, then you can then upgrade to this particular one, or you upgrade to this one, or you upgrade to this unlimited one. So everything. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be going with this free plan, which I'm sure if you take you for your particular product if you are just starting out. So let's see all plans. Now these are the plans that we have on this particular website. So now that we have already agreed that we are going to go with this one, then we are going to go with this free plan. So let's click on our dashboard. Now, this is our dashboard. For us to set up our Equid account, we need to follow all these 7 steps. We need to complete all these settings for us to set up our account. As you know that we want to add the product in this particular website, and from this website we are going to pick all our products. We are going to place it on our own particular website. So how did we get started? Now, for us to get started, we are going to go to the settings here. Go down to the settings. So once you get to the setting, you are going to set up everything one after the other. From your store profile, you are going to set up your region setting. You are going to set up your cart and checkout. You are going to set up your tracking and analytics. So let's start with our store profile. Now, your store name will be here. You can see store name, online store. Just put your store name here. What is our store name? We are going to put the Modesty V. That's our store name. Then they said store URL. Do you have a URL? Just still leave that one for now. And we are going to come back here later. So let's go back. Let's go. Then you can put your company name, the Modesty V. Then you put your phone number if you want to put the phone number there. But I'm not going to be putting my phone number for the sake of this video. So I'm going to set up everything, and you can actually put anything you want to put. Just set everything up. You can then put all your social media accounts if you want to put that one to there. So once you are done putting everything, once you are done inputting everything, then the next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl X, or you click on this particular save, and let's move to the next thing. So the next thing we want to talk about now is, okay, let me see, there is an error there. So postal code. Okay, they said the postal code is invalid. Please enter a valid postal code, for example 5. So let me just remove 10 from it. I guess it's the 0. So let's click on save. So it has been saved now. Once it has been saved, now we are moving to the next thing on our agenda, which is the regional setting. Let's move to the regional setting. We are going to be using Naira display price. So this is how it's going to be displaying the price on the particular product. So you can then continue. If you want to change the weight, if it is dimension, unit and format, just go through everything and set up everything very well. So I think all this one is perfectly okay for me. Then the next thing for you to do is to actually scroll down, and then we are done with this particular page as well. So let's move to the next thing, cart and checkout. So please, there is something you need to note when you get to this cart and checkout. You need to enable 2 things, and I'm going to be showing you those 2 things you need to enable. Ask for a zip postal code. Please, you need to enable it when you are building your own tool. And then ask for billing address during checkout. You need to also enable this thing. Those 2 things are very, very important. Now, once you are done with that, I think there is nothing much more important in this particular website. So let's quickly go and save it, and then all this upgrade, you can actually upgrade when you have already subscribed to the bigger plan. But for the sake of this video, we are not going to be upgrading anything. So let's just leave it the way it is, and then let's scroll up and save it. Please follow the instruction one after the other, and if you are getting value from this video, do well to like this particular video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's move to the next one, which is tracking and analytics. So if you have a Google ID, Google Analytics ID, what we use to track a website, you can actually put your ID here. But if you don't have it, it's not compulsory. So you are going to scroll down. So there's another one you can actually add, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. So if you want to track your website with your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or anything, just put in your ID here so you can actually track your website. Now this one to Pinterest tag, you can just come and put your Pinterest tag here. I don't know what they call it. Pinterest, yes, Pinterest tag. You can actually put it here. So this particular page is basically for tracking your website. So once you are done with this particular one, we are actually okay with the first setting. So the next thing we are going to go to now is our shipping and pickup. Now that is what we want to set. Now, and this is where we are going to be adding the shipping. So let's add the shipping here now. Now they can say this is the NIPOST is what we use currently in Nigeria. So set up NIPOST. We are going to click on this set up free shipping, conditional free shipping, flat rate, and all these things. So I'm not going to be setting up all those things. So the only thing I'm going to be setting up is what? Free shipping. Now once you click on that free shipping, then you scroll down and you just save and finish. So I think that one is done, right? So the next to scroll, go back. Just let's go back and then move to the next thing. So the next thing we want to do now is to self pickup. We don't need that one presently. Then I think that is that for this particular page. Shipping, we've done this shipping. Local delivery. Delivery orders yourself in city and delivery orders yourself in city and sub or outsource delivery to when you need. Let's add this one too. Let's just set it up as free delivery too as well. So you can just navigate through the platform and then set anything you want to set up that is going to be okay for your particular business you are running. So once you are done with that, I want to show you now, I don't want this video to be too long so that I can have time to implement it very well. I'm going to be showing I'm going to be continuing from the next video, which is the part 9 of this particular video. If you have gained something from this particular video, do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. I am African Prince AREX. Have a nice day.